In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Proforma Invoice in Zoho Books 2025 guide. Think of a Proforma Invoice as a commitment-free preview of the sale. It shows prices, quantities, and terms so your customer can approve and pay without affecting your accounting until you convert it to an invoice. In Zoho Books, the fastest way to create a Proforma is by using a quote. Start on the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your command center where you'll see cash flow and recent activity. From here, head to the left-hand menu and open the Sales section. This is where all customer-facing documents live, including invoices, payments, and, importantly for today, quotes. Inside Sales, select Quotes. In some regions, this may also be labeled Estimates, but it serves the same purpose. You'll land on a list of your existing quotes. To create a new Proforma style document, click the Create New Quote button, usually at the top right. This opens the quote editor, which will complete step by step. First, choose the customer. Use the customer field to select an existing contact or add a new one if you haven't worked with them before. Take a moment to confirm the customer's billing details, currency, and any tax treatment. Getting these right on the front end keeps the totals accurate and avoids delays when the customer is ready to move forward. Next, add the items. Use the item selector to pick the product or service you're offering, then adjust quantity, rate, and any discounts as agreed. If your account uses taxes, make sure the appropriate tax is applied so the document reflects the real amount the customer should expect. You can also add a description line for clarity, such as what's included, scope boundaries, or delivery timelines. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth and speed up approval. When everything looks good, choose Save and Send. Zoho Books will show an email preview so you can confirm the subject, message, and recipients before it goes out. Keep the message concise, let the customer know it's a pro forma for their review, and include any key terms like validity or payment expectations. If you prefer, you can simply save the quote first and send it later, but sending now makes it immediately available to the customer through their email and the client portal if enabled. That's it. You've created a Proforma invoice using a Zoho Books quote. Your customer can review and approve it, and when they're ready, you can convert it to a final invoice without retyping anything. This approach keeps your records clean and your sales process efficient.